There are 3 ways to cycle creatine for maximum effectiveness, but before we get into those, let's explain why you should be cycling at all. Why cycle creatine? First and foremost, cycling can help your body maintain its natural ability to produce creatine. Constant supplementation without breaks may lead to decreased natural production, although this is still a topic of ongoing research. Secondly, cycling can minimize the risk of potential side effects like gastrointestinal issues, which some people experience when taking higher doses for extended periods. Lastly, cycling can optimize the absorption and utilization of creatine in your body, making your supplementation more effective in the long run. Now, let's explain the 3 different methods of cycling. Traditional cycle. The traditional creatine cycle is the most commonly used and researched method. It involves 3 distinct phases: the loading phase, the maintenance phase, and an optional off phase. The loading phase lasts for about 5-7 days, during which you take 20-25 grams of creatine, divided into 4-5 doses throughout the day. The idea is to saturate your muscle cells with creatine as quickly as possible. After the loading phase, you reduce the dosage to around 5 grams per day. This phase can last anywhere from 4-6 weeks and is meant to maintain the creatine levels in your muscles. Some athletes and fitness enthusiasts prefer to take a break from creatine supplementation for about 1-2 weeks. The off phase allows your body to reset and can make subsequent cycles more effective. Steady state method. In this method, you skip the loading phase altogether and take a consistent 5 grams per day. This approach is less intense on your digestive system and still offers significant muscle and performance gains, although it may take longer to see noticeable results. Pros. The steady state method is easier on your digestive system and eliminates the need for a loading phase, making it more straightforward. Cons. Because you skip the loading phase, it may take a bit longer to see noticeable results compared to the traditional cycle. Periodic cycle. In this method, you align your creatine cycles with your training cycles or competitive seasons. For instance, you might go through a loading phase during a period of high-intensity training or right before a competition, followed by a maintenance phase during your off-season or lower-intensity training periods. Load during high-intensity training or competitions. This ensures that your muscles are saturated with creatine when you need peak performance. Maintain during off-season or lower-intensity periods. This helps you maintain the gains you've made without overloading your system. Choosing the right creatine cycle for you depends on various factors like your training intensity, overall fitness goals, and how your body responds to creatine.